Hey, what's up guys? I'm Denver Bailey and you're watching Fast Filmmaking. If you're into tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your camera gear, you want to learn how to be a better filmmaker, hit that subscribe button. Today, we're going to solve the dreaded gamma shift on export in Davinci Resolve. If you've clicked on this video, you likely are dealing with this problem right now. We're not going to dive too much into the technical reasons why there is a gamma shift. I just want to show you guys how to fix it. So I just exported the video from Davinci Resolve, and as you can see, there is a gamma shift from what's inside the viewer in Davinci Resolve and what we actually get in Quicktime or in YouTube. Everything can be done within that deliver panel in Davinci Resolve. So if we go over to deliver, we're going to go to custom, and under custom, we're going to go to advanced settings, and you come down here to where it says color space tag, gamma tag. I'm going to leave color space tag the same as project. Under gamma tag, I'm going to go down to gamma 2.4. Essentially, what is happening here is your preview window is in Rec 709 Gamma 2.4. In order to prevent a gamma shift, you need to tag it with Gamma 2.4, so whatever application is opening your video knows that this is in Rec 709 Gamma 2.4. Add that to render queue, click render, boom, boom, boom. Davinci Resolve, super fast, love it, and boom. If that solved your problem, make sure you hit the thumbs up button so the YouTube algorithm will recommend this video to other people. As always, if you guys want to learn more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your camera gear, you want to learn how to be a better filmmaker, hit that subscribe button.